Good day, everyone. My name is Patrick Lorenzen Gerpus, and today I will show you my current progress of my game development. In the past videos, I already show you the title screen and the mechanics, and now I will show you my recently made level 1. So let's start. This is the title screen, next is the mechanics of the game. Let's just wait for a minute. So this is the level 1 of my game. Actually, task to na assignment namin, and one of the tasks is to make an NPC, which you can see here on level 1 kung saan tayo nagland. An NPC here says kill all enemies. So that is the goal of this level. Kill all the enemies. Let's try to finish the game as soon as possible. Now, one of the requirements also is a power up. This icon is a speed boost. So, pag kinuha mo siya, bibilis yung takbo mo. Basically, here you can see, bumibilis po yung takbo. Sorry, ay sakat na yung game. Na may coin counter siya, may coins din na feature. This is you can count as a score if you want to. Enemy is a snake. So guys, one thing, meron ding penalty which is a opposite of a power up. Here sa araw ko makikita nyo, that is a penalty. Kung nakuha nyo yan, dapat may jumping force. If I got that, look, bumaba yung talent. So yun yung effect nun. And the most important part of the game is, of course, the boss. So here medyo static lang siya, which is just a prototype of my level 1. So, later on, gagawan ko siya ng movement. So, left to right, lalakad siya. But here, ang special characteristics ng boss is mas marami siyang health compared sa normal enemies. So, let's see. Parilin natin. So, it takes a lot of bullet, more than one, just to kill this boss. And after killing this boss, completed level 1. So, congratulations. So, that's it for my level 1. Thank you guys for watching.